Heavenly shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an unpretentious manner, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. XLM's especially intraday volume in a real sense, especially remains at $38,146,757 in an unobtrusive manner. XLM United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA20 in an unpretentious way. Heavenly right now exchanges close $0.097 13 July 2023. In this video, we will walk you through Heavenly cost examination for NA, or for most certainly 1 week from NA, and in a real sense, attempt to answer this oftentimes basically clarified some things, facts, what essentially is transient cost expectation for Heavenly, explicitly as XLM, an especially wise interest in a very huge manner. Heavenly help and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. However, prior to plunging sort of profound into the XLM specialized examination, certainly let us in every practical sense discuss the sort of current economic situations exhibiting that Heavenly all things considered generally shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,190,985,483,416, truly in spite of prevalent thinking, or so they thought. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $31,315,169,849, which certainly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they basically for the most part thought, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level, after a decay of 0.29% in a very significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally in a real sense, has seen a value diminishing of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, showing how Heavenly help and opposition levels and so forth, which sort of is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span, showing that XLM's especially intraday volume sort of stands at $38,146,757, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, especially is up by 0.1, and right now exchanging at 47 cents amazingly. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem incredibly, which is very critical. These occasions generally show that the market, especially by and large, is going in a genuinely descending bearing for genuinely present moment, exhibiting how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an actually for the most part enormous manner in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a really broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally most certainly is genuinely huge in a significant manner. Heavenly help and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, or so they generally thought. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers especially basically become certainly considerably more in every practical sense, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Exhibiting that help for the most part especially is a level at which purchasers explicitly most certainly become sort of certainly more sort of dynamic and generally sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part by and large is very critical, or so they thought. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which dealers sort of in every way that really matters become move in every way that really matters, dynamic, and for the most part, basically prevent the coin's cost from moving in every way that really matters, kind of higher in a sort of large manner, which is very huge. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of Heavenly, XLM, Heavenly execution, as per value examination market record, Heavenly, XLM, basically is exchanging at $0.097 with an exchanging volume of $38,146,757, which most certainly is genuinely huge. However, XLM essentially has a value decline of 0.39%, in the sort of last 24 hours. XLM cost changes 3.74% over the course of the week, with a kind of all-out market capitalization of $2,627,726,876 United States dollars, in an unobtrusive manner. Heavenly Value Investigation XLM Cost Examination for 13 July 2023, inside a very everyday time span, essentially made sense of beneath, which all things considered, is genuinely critical, or so they sort of thought. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving kind of normal intermingling and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including really straightforward moving reasonably essentially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving normal, EMA to by and large investigate the future development of the heavenly, showing how XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 0.1 and presently exchanging at 47 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. The MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the by and large kind of sine line after a hybrid, showing how support certainly basically is a level at which purchasers for the most part become genuinely more sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Exhibiting that help generally most certainly is a level at which purchasers for the most part become in every practical sense kind of more fundamentally dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they most certainly thought. Heavenly financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the pretty most certainly day-to-day graph, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they thought. The heavenly really has in a real sense break all its truly upholds levels and things by and large are not looking especially great for the crypto market, or so they in every practical sense thought, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Presently, in every practical sense, explicitly bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively especially take XLM cost underneath the vital help level of 11 cents. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, showing how heavenly help and obstruction levels and so on in a by and large enormous manner. The genuinely relative strength list, RSI, shows that the XLM coin especially is in union zone, as RSI by and large is at 42 in an unobtrusive manner, in spite of mainstream thinking, while XLM's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 68.584 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, essentially signal really is genuinely conceivable at this reach, which certainly shows that XRP, the very kind of local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.1 and at